Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to make the ultimate comfort food, creamy cheesy scalloped potatoes made from scratch and full of flavor. So if you want to see how I make them, then keep watching. So I'm going to start by thinly slicing some large russet potatoes to about an 1/8 inch thick. I use my mandolin slicer, but if you don't have one, just slice the potatoes thin with a knife. These tender layers are what gives scalloped potatoes their signature texture. I then make sure to season my potatoes because I love layers of flavor. So to my saucepan, I'm going to add some butter, and then I'm going to add some diced onion, some olive oil, and minced 2 cloves of garlic. We're building a savory aromatic base that'll make your kitchen smell amazing. I'm going to saute this for a bit. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and I'm going to let that simmer for a bit and then add my seasonings of choice, which is pepper, Cajun seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika to taste. I let that warm gently on the stove, just enough to infuse the flavors. And now it's time for the cheese, because what's scalloped potatoes without it? I stir in sharp cheddar cheese and white cheddar cheese until smooth and melty. In a buttered baking dish, I layer my sliced potatoes and some of that creamy cheese sauce. I repeat until everything's used, and then I pour the rest of the cheese sauce over the top. I then finish it with some more cheese for that golden, rich finish. You're going to cover and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit that has been preheated for about 45 minutes. Then you're going to remove your foil or lid and bake for another 25 to 30 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the potatoes are tender when pierced with the fork. You're going to garnish with fresh chopped parsley, or in my case, I chose chives, and enjoy. Trust me, you'll want to make this. It's cozy, comforting, and always a crowd pleaser. The full recipe will be below, and if you enjoyed anything about this video, please consider giving this a thumbs up and subscribe for more cooking content. Your support means a lot. Until next time, you guys be blessed. Bye!